Hi, this is Patel and today we will be talking about Ubersuggest, like what are the options available for Ubersuggest paid version, what is there that we can see in our paid version of Ubersuggest. So this will be regarding, like you can say, mostly regarding the SEO and the backlink part. And I am using the paid part, you can say, of Ubersuggest. So you can see here the payment and the billing. So it's like 40 USD per month, and in that they are allowing me to do 900 daily report search or number of keyword that I can track. So they have that, and maximum pages crawled for site audit. So 10,000 pages I can do, and I can put up to 15 projects, means 15 different websites. So this is what they have. So again, in $40, that is one that they give. So let's explore this particularly, and let's see what all options are there. And those who are new to this channel, they can subscribe my channel and they can see in my playlist I have explained all the video regarding SEO, social media, advertisements and all. You can go and you can check that, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the regular update. Now let's see what all are the options that are available in Ubersuggest. So again, when you go to the Ubersuggest here, and when you log in into your account, so you can go to your dashboard here. So you can add the project. So as many as project you want, you can add that. You can say I have added here. Just after that, particularly they will be showing you the site audit. So again, site audit, you need to click on search, and then afterwards you will be getting the site audit. So they take little bit time for site audit. So that part I already have done. So here if you will see, so they will give you the file that you can download like this. So it will contain duplicate meta descriptions, duplicate titles, low word count, headings, h1 and all that. So for example, like suppose if I open this here, so once I open, so you can see here low word count. So you can see here the how many words has been there in that particular page. So overall, like again, it gives us a lot of options that we can go and we can see that. So I can read that before doing that. You can see here the difficulty that this tool says, like require high technical knowledge to fix. So again, mostly high technical knowledge in the sense it will be fixed by the developing team. Then we have the moderate. So moderate is like little bit technical knowledge. So again, this technical part mostly is done by our web development team. So suppose I have a website, I am checking for that, so my developer will go and they will fix that basically. So they will give the audit and they will tell you what all can be improved in your website. So again, it will give you a predefined reports particularly that you can use, and you can send it to your developing team to getting rectified. Though some of the part we as a digital marketer also can rectify, like duplicate meta description, we can change that and we can send the Excel sheet to our company where we are working, so that these things we need to replace. Same we can do with the title and all that. So if you know about, you are first and you do not know about SEO, so you can check my SEO video in the playlist to know more about SEO. So again, next thing, if we see here, after that, like I can do here the keywords. So if I go in the keywords, guys, so I can see here the keyword overview. So again, I can go and I can type the particularly, you can say the domain, or I can enter the word and I can get the keyword overview. For example, suppose if I want to know for designer clothing, so I will go here and I will type and I can search here the language and open like you can say locations, and I can search, and here you can say the search volume, SEO difficulty. Higher the difficulty, higher it is, like it will be more difficult to rank that. And again, this is for Google Ads cost per click and all. So I can scroll down and I can see here all the keywords that is there. So again, as per the volume is average monthly search volume. So I can take out the keywords, then after that keyword ideas they have. So again, I can search with the words and I can search with the website as well. So I can go in here in the website, and suppose I am giving this website as a reference. So I can go and I can do, and I can click on search. So once I click on search here, then you can say as per my website, they are recommending the keywords, means the important word that could be for business, that could write the traffic. So I can again take out the words and I can work on them. Then again, keyword for traffic we can know. So again, you can see as per the website here, basically I can go and I can see what are the keywords that are driving traffic, what are the positions that we are ranking on. Positions means on the SERP, search engine result page. So again, these are the keywords that we are ranking. So again, if I'm working as SEO executive or I'm doing for client work and all, so again I can work on these keywords and I can rank them further in the top pages and all. So this will provide me the opportunity also, like what else, where I should start working, because a lot of you always ask me question like from where we should start working on SEO. So this tool again can help you provide particularly what are the potential keyword you can rank with basically, and what are the keywords that you are already ranking. So I can see some of the keyword we are already ranking. So again, it will require me less effort to rank them on the top. So again, similar website also I can go and I can see. So particularly suppose if I go and if I search here, so again, if again we don't have much traffic, so it will not give me similar website. But again, like suppose if I go and if I give the like you can say competitor website where the traffic is more, like 1 year's pop-up and all. So if I go here basically and I go particularly to this and again I click on search. So once I click on search this, so again they will take a time and they will again give me the similar site whatever is there. Till this is happening, you can see here similar site. So again I can scroll down and I can get here the monthly traffic approximately, and then again you can see here the similar site that they are recommending from this. So again, this Nika fashions, this was related to that, Utsav fashion, Aza fashions and all, and common keywords I can see, keyword gap I can see, estimated traffic, and backlink also I can see how much backlink they have. So again, like suppose I want to know for this Aza fashion, so I can go here, I can click on this and you can see I can see here for what keywords they are ranking and how much volume means how much traffic they are generating from that, what is the position they are having, estimated visit, and what is the CPC, cost per click amount, and the paid difficulty for Google Ads and SEO for SEO. Similarly way I can go guys and I can click on the content ideas also. Suppose I want to find a designer clothing content idea, so I can go and I can see here the content idea particularly. So I can again like export that in the CSV format and I can keep it for further use particularly. So I can go and I can export that, export all, or copy to clipboard. So I can go and it will be downloaded. You can see it is downloaded. Now I can go and I can open that. So here you can see the URL. So again I can go to that particular URL and you can see here once I go to the URL, so again you can see here the content idea, particularly how people are like writing content on the designer clothing and all. So this can again give you a good idea. So I can go and I can check what kind of content I should be writing for social media and for blog purpose and all. So this can help you a lot. Apart from that, like you can go and you can have that this keyword list basically. So we can go and we can create the new list, so whatever list that we want to rank for, so that I can see total list of keywords, total volume, and again I can check their difficulty. So I can go create new list and I can give the list name here. So again suppose I want this, I can create list and then again I can give the keywords here. So once I have given that, so that will be done. Then again like that you can say whatever the keywords, total volume, and all that things I will be able to know. Then afterwards particularly here traffic option, so I can go here and I can see the traffic overview. So again you can say for like I have given here the website name, for that I can see. So organic keywords, whatever traffic they have, organic monthly traffic, and then domain authority means how domain is good. So if higher the domain authority, better the domain is basically. So again backlinks, how much link that they have made. So again you can see here the SEO keyword ranking, that how it is improving you can see. So that is very good thing to have. So again top pages in the country you can see in different country they are showing here Hindi and again in English as well. So again I can go and I can check their pages and I can check their keywords also, what keywords they are particularly ranking, what are the volume, what are the positions, and what are the estimated visit that we have. So again it's like, and after that I can go and I can check the backlinking, means how many links they have made. So you can say they have 9,63,228 backlinks basically. Out of that, no follow is 15,718. So that is good thing. No follow means again those link are using in the backend no follow attribute, means they are stopping Google to crawl that link, means they don't want Google to follow that link. So it is advised to make do follow links more, but again you have to maintain the ratio. It's like most of the time you have to try to make the do follow, but again like making the link and making that relevant, like giving proper title, descriptions and all, always count that basically. So I can go and I can see here. So overall if you say, it is a good tool to have basically to check the auditing, to do the auditing, to check overall, to check the competitor analysis and all for SEO. So majorly if I will need any tool for SEO, I can consider this tool particularly. So if you have not checked my SEMrush video, go in the playlist, and in that playlist go to digital marketing tools, and in that you can check out my 3-4 videos that I have made for on SEMrush, like for SEO, for social media, as well as like for advertisement and competitor analysis, how you can do that. So don't forget to check that, and don't forget to press the bell icon if you haven't pressed that, to get my regular update. So thank you guys, see you in the next video. Don't forget to share with other people.